Hi, I'm Justin Fraction here for Technology Advice. When you pit two titans of SEO startup against each other, like the sensational Semrush and the supreme SpyFu, you're just asking to be left in the dust by the no-doubt dynamic, titanic clash of two terrific titans of search engine optimization supremacy. Now, I'm going to warn you, what you're about to see will be an examination of the features of both pieces of software, and in the end, I'm not entirely sure who won. But that happens here at Technology Advice, as we only present the best software to you and your business. The right answer may be what's right for you and your business at the time that you watch this video. So, be objective, listen, and see what you think. Without much further ado, let's give you a bit of background on our two courageous contenders. Picture it, Scottsdale, Arizona, 2006. SpyFu is born. As an SEO marketing suite and PPC pay-per-click analyzer, SpyFu is capable of giving in-depth views of historic data and competitive analysis. SpyFu also features backlink outreach, unlimited keyword and domain projects, as well as custom reporting. SpyFu claims over 200,000 monthly users, including some big-name brands like Amazon, Adobe, and Salesforce. But you don't need to be a heavyweight to use it, because SpyFu works for businesses of all sizes. Next, in 2008, on the other side of the country, in Boston, Massachusetts, big-time Semrush is born. Semrush can offer users access to SEO as well for content marketing, competitor research, PPC, and social media marketing. Semrush claims that its database size excels with over 22 billion keywords across 130 countries. It prides itself on being an all-in-one software that eliminates the need for multiple tools to achieve what one tool, Semrush, can do. Winner of multiple industry awards, Semrush also claims that 30% of Fortune 500 companies use it daily. Each one of these tools has pros and cons, positives and negatives, ups and downs, light and dark, highs and you get the point. SpyFu claims that it has a robust keyword research tool that can track over 80 million domains and gives up to 5 billion results. SpyFu performs millions of searches daily that are auditable back to the actual search engine result page. Semrush touts its easy-to-use organic ranking tool. With it, users can access a deep analysis of how their site ranks, what keywords are working, and how the competition looks in comparison. SpyFu has an easy-to-use interface that lets users access things like competitor keywords with a simple copy and paste. Adjusting and building out campaigns is simple and intuitive, saving precious time and avoiding complicated processes. Semrush has the slickest of slick PPC campaign functionality. Businesses that rely on pay-per-click to achieve goals will love it. Users like the ability to launch PPC campaigns with lots of analytics and tools to make executing their ads easier. Another all-in-one tool with a UI that isn't overwhelming, SpyFu prides itself on its clean and focused interface that doesn't contain irrelevant data. The dashboards are straightforward. The reports are also straightforward. Like your daddy at a tailgate on a sunny Sunday afternoon, everything that SpyFu does is straightforward. Semrush also offers reporting tools that are easy to make, customize, and export. Its reporting tool eliminates the need for manual data captures, saving time and money. SpyFu has 24/7 support with responses given through email and chat. They also have a ton of training videos and live one-on-one webinars where they can answer your every question. Semrush offers specialized support for content-centric businesses, with tools that provide improvement suggestions into keywords, content, and user experience. Semrush puts the in optimization. Finally, Semrush can analyze and track social media effectiveness for your brand across all social media channels, including influencer campaigns and paid social activity. As the saying goes, behind every cloud there's a silver lining, but behind every silver lining, there's another dark cloud. Both pieces of software have some negatives that we're going to cover right now. Some people complain that SpyFu has an issue reporting PPC accurately, especially when it comes to competitive data. If you're new, you might have issues. If you're not, you may not. With the time for learning new things, not I do, that's part of my job. But some people may not, and that passage was for you. Like your mama when she walks through the door after her 8-hour shift at the hospital. She's not going to do everything for you. If you want relevant data on competitors' keywords, users have stated that they often have to perform manual adjustments to ensure their data is real and accurate. You get a lot when you pay for Semrush, but it might be more than you need. Finally, Semrush only has one user login when you initially get it. Additional logins can be purchased, but it gets expensive. Semrush also discourages sharing of credentials by wiping out history and saved data when a new IP address signs in with the same information. Both pieces of software are great, and you may find benefits with one more than the other. Hopefully this video helped you learn what both are capable of and also what they aren't. Until next time, you can click here to subscribe for more awesome videos. You can click here to head to our website at TechnologyAdvice.com for more software information, or you can click here to see an awesome curated playlist we made just for you. See you next Friday. You learned a lot about my family this episode, so I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.